Learn 60 hand action verbs.
Pinch. She pinched his arm playfully. To pinch. Pull. He pulled the door toward him. To pull. Push. She pushed the box forward. To push. Punch. He punched the air in excitement. To punch. Knock. She knocked on the door softly.
Knock, knock. Anyone home?
To knock.
Hello? I know you're in there. Knock, knock.
Slap. He slapped the table angrily.
Ah! Take that!
To slap.
And that! Ah!
Clap. The audience clapped loudly. To clap. Grab. She grabbed his hand quickly.
Quick, grab my hand. Okay,
To grab.
let's go. Quick, grab my...
Grasp. He grasped the rope tightly. To grasp. Catch. He caught the ball easily. To catch. Throw. She threw the keys onto the table. To throw. Toss. He tossed the coin into the air. To toss. Squeeze. She squeezed the sponge hard. To squeeze. Press. He pressed his palm against the wall. To press. Tap. She tapped his shoulder lightly. To tap. Pat. He patted the dog's head. To pat. Poke. She poked him to get attention. To poke. Rub. He rubbed his hands together. To rub. Wipe. She wiped the dust off the shelf. To wipe. Scratch. He scratched his arm absent-mindedly.
Now where did
To
I put
scratch.
that?
Stroke. He stroked the cat gently. To stroke. Clutch. He clutched his bag nervously. To clutch. Grip. She gripped the handle firmly. To grip. Release. He released her hand slowly. To release. Drop. She dropped the phone accidentally. To drop. Lift. He lifted the box carefully. To lift. Lower. She lowered her hand slowly. To lower. Shake. He shook her hand politely. To shake. Wave. She waved goodbye happily. To wave. Point. He pointed at the sign. To point. Beckon. She beckoned him closer. To beckon. Flick. He flicked the switch with his finger. To flick. Snap. She snapped her fingers loudly. To snap. Twist. He twisted the cloth tightly. To twist. Turn. She turned the page carefully. To turn. Tear. She tore the paper in half. To tear. Drag. She dragged the box across the floor. To drag. Carry. He carried the child in his arms. To carry. Cradle. She cradled the baby carefully. To cradle. Sway. He swayed his hands to the music. To sway. Scoop. He scooped water with his hands. To scoop. Flatten. She flattened the dough with her palm. To flatten. Swipe. She swiped her hand across the table. To swipe. Knead. He kneaded the dough slowly. To knead. Pluck. She plucked a hair from her sleeve. To pluck. Pick. He picked up the coin. To pick. Clasp. She clasped her hands together. To clasp. Interlock. He interlocked his fingers. To interlock. Roll. She rolled the clay into a ball. To roll. Bend. He bent his fingers slightly. To bend. Extend. She extended her hand to greet him. To extend. Palpate. The doctor palpated the patient's hand. To palpate. Withdraw. He withdrew his hand quickly. To withdraw. Massage. She massaged her sore hands. To massage. Shove. She shoved him aside. To shove. Prod. She prodded him to wake up. To prod. Touch. She touched the glass lightly. To touch. Fumble. He fumbled with the keys nervously. To fumble.